Hello Tesla guys, this is Julia from Tesery. Today I'd like to talk to you about the cup holder for Model 3 and the Model Y owners. I believe everyone knows that the Tesla original water cup slot is much wider than the other brands of the car. It can't securely place water cups, mobile phone, or other items. It will make noisy while driving. So it annoyed many Tesla owners and also worried about bumps on the road. And the liquid from the glass to spill and dirty your car interior. But the Tesery cup holder can solve the problems for Tesla owners. It helps you hold cups and other items so that it can't dirty your car. So how does it do it? First, the cup holder is custom-made for Model 3 and the Model Y, so it can perfectly fit for the original car without shaking. And its color and style are all matching the original car. You can install it easily. You just need to put the cup holder into the cup slot, which can be done with one hand. Here comes the point. Unlike other cup holder, the design of Tesery cup holder is very unique. Not only does it stable the glass from slipping and shaking, so that liquid don't spill and stain your car. It also holds accessories like cards, cell phones, and more items. You can see that this cup holder has a partition design, and the groove in the middle can store coins. It can be seen that the cup holder is also very convenient for placing items. In addition, the bottom surface has many anti-slip dots, which prevent them from sliding or tipping cut of the cup holder during driving. In addition, the cup holder is made of soft silicone, which is resistant to high and low temperatures, durable and non-toxic. We use soft material to reduce impact, which will fully protect objects placed inside. Because it is made of soft silicone, when the battle hits the silicone cap, there is no noise, providing a good driving feeling. Finally, it is washable and waterproof. If the cup holder gets dirty, you can wash it with water. This cup holder is an essential Tesla accessory that will make your car look even better. If you like the short video, you can follow us or leave your comments. I will introduce more practical accessories. If you want to buy Tesla accessories, just come to Tesery. Okay, bye!